Modern AI models can now read a whole book, an hour of video, or a giant codebase in one go. But plain attention has a hard memory wall that makes that very expensive. Ring attention is the technique that smashes through it, letting context grow simply by adding more GPS. In this video, why attention hits a wall, what ring attention is, how the ring works, the clever overlap trick, and where it powers million token models. Here is the wall. Self-attention lets every token look at every other token, so its memory cost grows with the square of the sequence length. Double the context and you roughly quadruple the memory. Flash attention helped by never storing the full attention matrix, but one GPU still has to hold the entire sequence. Past 100,000 tokens, even the biggest single accelerator simply runs out of memory. Ring attention, introduced by Berkeley researchers in 2023, takes a different route. Instead of squeezing a long sequence onto one device, it splits the sequence into blocks and spreads them across many devices arranged in a ring. Each device holds only its own slice of tokens. Because no single device ever stores the whole sequence, the maximum context you can handle grows linearly with the number of devices you add. So how does every token still attend to every other token? The devices form a ring. Each one keeps its own queries fixed, but the key and value blocks are passed hand to hand around the ring, step by step. On each step, a device computes attention between its queries and whatever key value block it currently holds, then forwards that block to its neighbor. After one full loop, every query has seen every key. The real magic is timing. Sending a key value block to the next device takes time, and normally you would stall waiting for it. Ring attention instead sends the next block while it is still computing on the current one. Communication hides behind computation. If the compute takes longer than the transfer, and with big blocks it does, the data movement becomes essentially free, adding no overhead at all. It helps to compare ring attention with flash attention because people confuse them. Flash attention is a single device trick. It computes attention without ever building the giant matrix, saving memory on one GPU. Ring attention is a multi-device trick. It spreads one long sequence across many GPUs. They are complements, not rivals. In fact, each device in the ring typically runs flash attention on its own block. One point is worth stressing. Many long context methods cut corners, sparse attention skips token pairs, and other tricks approximate the attention map. Ring attention does none of that. It computes the exact same full attention, just block by block and spread across devices. The blockwise math is mathematically identical to standard attention. You get near infinite context with zero loss in quality, which is why it is trusted for serious training. Ring attention is not the only way to parallelize long sequences. Deep-speed Ulysses splits work across attention heads using all-to-all communication, but that caps you at the number of key value heads the model has. Ring attention rotates blocks around a ring instead, so it keeps scaling as you add devices. That is why frameworks increasingly build long context on the ring approach. Ring attention has one wrinkle. Language models are causal. Each token only attends to tokens before it. That means the last block in the ring does a lot of work, while the first does almost none, so some devices sit idle. A follow-up called striped attention fixes this by interleaving the tokens across devices, so every device gets a balanced share and the ring runs at full speed. Using it is easier than it sounds, because the hard parts are packaged. Open libraries expose a ring attention layer you drop into your model, where each rank simply holds a shard of the sequence. In production, NVIDIA Transformer Engine and Megatron ship the very same idea under the name context parallelism, so you can enable it with a single config flag. Where does this show up? The large world model used ring attention to train on 1 million tokens of text and video at once. Meta's Llama 3 used context parallelism, the same idea, for its long context phase. NVIDIA Megatron and Transformer Engine ship it built in. Anytime a model reads hour-long video, an entire codebase, or a full book, this is often what makes it possible. Here is the headline number. Ring attention has been used to train on sequences over 100 million tokens long, far beyond what any single chip could hold. And it is not a trick or an approximation. The context you can handle simply scales linearly with the number of devices in the ring. More GPS, more context. So, to recap, attention hits a memory wall because its cost grows with the square of the sequence. Ring attention breaks that wall by splitting the sequence across a ring of devices and rotating key value blocks, hiding the communication behind computation, with exact results. When you need massive context, this is the engine underneath. Save this and follow for more simple AI explainers.